How to contact Ourtime Customer Service. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss about contacting your Ourtime Customer Service. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your browser if you're using website or desktop or laptop. Then you need to go to ourtime.com, log into your account. After that, you need to go to help.ourtime.com and hit enter in your search bar. This will take you to this kind of interface where you can contact the customer care. If you want to send an email to Ourtime, go ahead and tap on click here option. You will be taken to a submit request page. You need to simply go ahead and choose your issue below. And then you need to enter your correct form of your email address, your phone number, your first and last name, which is optional, your zip code or postal code, and how they can help you with. Enter the subject, which is also optional, and simply go ahead and describe your issue in this description box. You can also add any attachments, screenshots that you'd like to, and then tap on submit in the bottom, and you'll be done. Another thing you can do is you can go through all of the different sections of help, such as ban and content appeals, and about your sensitive data, your SMS verification, privacy, deleting your account, your privacy about sharing information, your sharing account info, transferring your account to another side, your account privacy, and if you go ahead and tap on see more, you will get other different sections to go through. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.